Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region this morning. You can see that throughout the remainder of the day today, possibly seeing a few peaks of sunshine. Some movement in the late afternoon hour today. Also see some slightly breezy conditions. Did have wind advisory in effect earlier this morning. Was able to cancel that recently. So we'll continue to see those winds near wind advisory criteria for today. But overall, should only see a brief period if we have to reissue that wind advisory for today. As far as the rain shower chances go, they are very limited today. Most likely we see any precipitation across the region would just be a little bit of drizzle or mist, but most likely not going to see that, and lightning chances today are near zero across the region. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, this was from 9Z this morning or 5 a.m. Did have some rain shower activity still in the region, but that has moved off the coast with air low pressure. Continue to move out to sea. High pressure building in from the Ohio Valley. That's going to give us decreasing winds throughout the day, as well as continue to see those cloudy skies across our area today. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have lots of cloud cover in the area, low-level cloud cover, currently up to about 900 feet across the region. The area low pressure deepening off the coast as it moves out to sea. And we'll continue to see this low-level cloud cover across the area today, as I mentioned, with, in general, fairly chilly, cloudy, and slightly breezy conditions for today. And taking a look at the HRRR model here for the next 48 hours or so, you can see, in general, cloudy conditions today as we move into the overnight hours. Should see some of those clouds start to break overnight, and we'll have a chance of some fog tomorrow morning with our winds switching out of the southwest by tomorrow morning. That's going to allow us to see a moderating trend to our temperatures for tomorrow. Some of the high-res guides, such here as the HRRR, doesn't show as much of that low-level cloud cover breaking up for tomorrow. If that's the case, we'd be stuck in the 40s for the remainder of Tuesday. But for Tuesday, I do expect those clouds to break up and giving us some better conditions for Tuesday afternoon with temperatures in the 50s for highs. Moving into Tuesday night, going to see in general fair conditions. More cloudiness across the region, especially in the mid and upper levels, as a weak warm front moves through the region. And that's going to set the stage for a nice Wednesday with temperatures possibly up into the 60s for highs. And taking a look at the European model here for the next few days, you can see high pressure builds in for Tuesday, slides off the coast on Wednesday as an area low pressure tracks well north of our region. That's going to give us those warm conditions for Wednesday. A very slight chance of a shower late in the day on Wednesday. And Thursday, we'll see a area high pressure build in from New England. It's going to give us a warm morning and then a cooler afternoon as winds shift more onshore for Thursday afternoon. And we'll see some rain shower activity move in the region for late Thursday. Into Friday, we'll see, looks like a good chance of rainfall across the area as the area low pressure tracks to the region. And we'll have pretty much looks like some steady rainfall throughout the day. Moving into Saturday, it looks like we'll see a brief area high pressure build in and giving us some cooler conditions, but still warmer than we've seen recently, with temperatures slightly above normal to near normal on Saturday. And then for Sunday, right now, really in question of the forecast, as our European model here has all activity moving off the coast, high pressure building in. Some of the models showing some rainfall moving the region on Sunday and possibly into Monday, but we'll continue to monitor that forecast. It's still about 7 days out. So taking a look at our current risk chart for today, we'll see today highs in the lower 40s, seeing cloudy skies in general, possibly a few peaks of sunshine later this afternoon. Then overnight, those skies start to clear. We'll see lighter winds, a variable less than 5 knots. That's going to lead to a case. We have a chance of some patchy fog overnight, a low of 31 degrees. And we'll see those winds today, in general, gusting around 25 knots this morning with a peak wind. And this afternoon, seeing a peak wind around 23 knots. So I did have a red in this forecast. We had a wind advisory out earlier that we've canceled that. Could still see those winds gusting up 25 knots this morning, and then decreasing chances for the afternoon hours. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see those cloud ceilings around 1,000 feet today, and then for the later on to the afternoon hours, we'll see those cloud ceilings moving up to about 1,500 feet. And overnight, we'll see, in general, should see those skies start to clear, and we'll see a chance of some fog with some lighter winds across the region by tomorrow morning. Our tide's about half a foot above normal. And Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday mostly sunny, partly cloudy, mild, high of 52 degrees, green chart across the board. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy to overcast, very slight chance of a sprinkle, a low of 41. And then for Wednesday, Mostly cloudy, breezy, and warmer. Very slight chance of a shower late. High of 62 degrees. We'll see an orange for our winds, so winds gusting around 25 knots in the afternoon out of the southwest. Could see a brief period of wind advisory. And those sprinkle chances and shower chances are very light. We have a weak boundary moving through on Tuesday night into Wednesday, and another boundary moving through late Wednesday. So can't rule out some sprinkles, but overall those frontal passages look fairly dry across the region. So the next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures moderating into above normal temperatures from Tuesday through Saturday, with temperatures the warmest on Wednesday at 62, Thursday and Friday in the mid to upper 50s. We'll see some more unsettled conditions in general for later Thursday as well on Friday, with rain moving in the region on the second half of Thursday, and then rain likely throughout the day on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, right now in question of how the pattern really shapes up for those 2 days. Right now it looks like Saturday should be a dry day across the region, that system moving off the coast, and could see another system starting to approach on Sunday, but right now keeping a 40% chance of some rainfall on the forecast on Sunday and possibly lingering into Monday. But we'll continue to monitor that forecast as we move closer to the weekend. Right now looks like we have to enjoy those warmer temperatures we have for the next few days from Tuesday through Friday, and then we have unsettled conditions. At least it will be warmer across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.